Lesson 9. Farm animals. Vocabularies. Cow.
Cow.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Horse.
Horse.
Chicks.
Chicks.
Goose.
Goose.
Lamb.
Lamb.
Peacock.
Peacock.
Ducklings.
Ducklings.
Sentence structure 1. This is my farm. Look at my cow.
This is my farm. Look at my rabbit.
This is my farm. Look at my chicken.
This is my farm. Look at my sheep.
This is my farm. Look at my horse.
This is my farm. Look at my chicks.
Short story. This is my aunt. She has flowers. This is her hallway. It is a long hallway. Sentence structure 2. What animal is that?
It's a goose.
What animal is that?
It's a sheep.
What animal is that?
It's a peacock. What animal are those?
They are chicks.
What animal is that?
It's a cow.
What animal is that?
It's a rabbit. Dialogue. Who is she?
She is Indonesian.
Where is she from?
She is from Indonesia.
What does she do?
She is a vet.